How to save project in CapCut. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can save project in CapCut. So if you want to save the project in CapCut, which is a straightforward process, so here you have to watch this video till the end. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Once you are here, you can create or open a new project here. So here you have to first of all skip the ad and you have to tap on the new project option, or you can open an existing one that you want to save. After that, you have to make your edit as needed. You can add a clip and you can add a overlay. You can also add a effect, video effect here on your video. So here you have to edit your video like this. After editing your video, so you CapCut automatically save your project as you work. So you can usually see our export option, which is on the top right corner of the screen, and you can select your resolution frame rate here according to your choice. And if you want to ensure your project is saved, you have to just go for the export option and you have to watch the ad here. To save your video on your CapCut, you have to watch the ad and the reward you will get in 20 or 30 seconds. After that, here you can see that your video has been accessed, your project has been saved to the device and the project, and you can go for the done option. And after that, you have to go back and go to your gallery. Once you are on your gallery, here you can see the edited video of your CapCut. So this is the simple step how you can save the project in your CapCut. And that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.